My first elevator here in Palermo, che is located verso il centro. Here's a duplex of Fiam elevators. I'm with Alessandro Lombardo, another elevator filmer from Sicily, Italy. Hi. This is my first meetup ever. It's a locked off one, sadly. 5th floor, I think it's the top floor this time. Oh no, there's a 6th one. Mi sa che c'è quando devo filmare questo, perché questo qua è bloccato con la chiave. No, c'è la chiave. Yeah, sadly. Vabbè, classico logo, sarà più o meno anni 60. Però che faccia presto. Ok, qui. Ok, ground floor. Eccolo. It has a VF mode. Ok. So let's take a ride on it. 940027237260. Maintain by Bomar. For person 21 kilograms or 115. But that's not a very big difference. Nice little cab. Looks very good. Poi andiamo al quinto, dopodiché scendiamo. VF. Wow, nice. Andiamo qui direttamente. Ok. Let's take a patio. I'm on the 5th floor. Sold by Sias. Sias was the official supplier for Sicily, Italy, about Fiam elevators. Loud motor upgraded with VF. So this is not a full original elevator, but 95% I think so. Okay. It's coming to us. No, zero. Non va. Vabbè, qua tanto. E qui. Devi scendere? No. Ok, va bene. There are 2 floors here. Qui 1A. That's it.